Hello guys, welcome to today's video. Last week was crazy. We totaled almost $8,000 in a single week, and I'm going to break down in this video how we have done it, how to reach out to clients, and what have we done for that much money. Right, so the first client was a new client, which was like in a service-based home service company, like a basic website for $2,200. The second client was a new client who wanted just a better website from the basic one. So it was like a makeup for his website, and it was actually getting better conversions with the new website. So it was really successful, and we are getting new sales. And the third website was one of our old clients, which is really good because it was a warm lead, and we don't need any big show-off to show our experience because we have worked together, and he knows that we have actually really great service, and we value every client of us. Right, so let me show you the math. So the first client was $2,200, the second was $2,500, and the third client was actually $3,000. So it adds up to $7,700, which is almost 8,000. Yes, it was a brutal week for us too. And through the work we are putting on, we are seeing this much success, and it's really great. Right, and for people starting out, first you need to book appointments, because you can be the best web designer in the world if you're not booking appointments and not having new clients through your workflow. You're not gonna be great at selling GoHighLevel, and you are going to need a system. Everybody who is going to hit 10K or even just starting out needs a system for booking appointments. Without it, your business is going to fail. And there are different ways for client outreach. You can either send Instagram DMs, emails, you can do cold calls, or even private messages, or you can have warm leads as starting out, but you definitely need a system for your success. In the beginning, I recommend trying out different kinds of methods, but at first you should pick one and be really great at it, because your life depends on it as a business owner, on client acquisition. And after you have picked one, you try to learn it very well and try to become the best at it. That's my recommendation. I'm going to make a video on making personalized emails through AI and different kind of softwares, because I've tried it. I also did cold calls and did Facebook private messages, and I think cold call worked the best for me, and emails, so I stick to them. But it's your choice whether you like this method or that method, but you have to be the best in it. Right, I want to talk about quantity. The other day I was talking with another agency owner, and he asked me that what's a shortcut to success. I don't want to take too much time in outreach, and I said to him, there is like no fucking shortcut. You have to do the work, you have to put in the hours, because you have to focus on quantity and getting the appointments, because as a business owner, your profitability is depending on client acquisition, and you have to set appointments. And in the beginning, I thought there is some shortcut too, and I've spent like 2 to 3 months trying to find different hacks and tools, but you just have to put in the work and do it every day. People don't understand how much quantity you need to have to see success. For example, when I was doing email marketing, I was sending to like 20,000 businesses for a month, and I was scaling right. I was not a beginner. It's a more advanced system, but you need a lot of people to have this much success. Right, let's talk about getting 10k to month, which is a lot of people's dream. And I think the first way is to get 10 clients at $1,000 each, which is going to be a bit stressful and a lot of work, because you have to close 2 clients per week, and it is really painful to have that many appointments, in my opinion. But you can do it this way, or either you can have 5 clients at $2,000 per month. I think this is really great and doable, because you almost have 1 client per week, so you can focus very well on businesses and you can provide real value for them. Or you can say 1.2 client per week, or 1 week you are going to have 2 clients, the other weeks you just have 1. Let's say that if you want to get to 10k, you need 5 appointments per week with a closing ratio of 20%, which means that you need to close 1 of every 5 clients, which I think is not hard. But if you're a complete beginner, this might take you a little bit longer. But you have 7 days in a week, and you are going to have meetings on 5 days, and you can prepare for these meetings. I actually have a free course for it, so you can join there, and you can see how to prepare for meetings, how to do the meetings, how to actually lead the meetings throughout, and be a very very strategic person, not just someone who goes there and does what he feels. You need a plan, and you are going to prepare for these meetings when you are a beginner. Or the last method is that you are going to have 1 client at $10,000 per month. For us, I think it was kind of between the $10,000 and the $2,000 per month clients, and yeah, for building website, we use actually GoHighLevel. This is, I think, a really great software, because developers giving new features every week. The developers making website looks much more better, and you can create like really great designs and graphics. Also moving website with GIFs and stuff like it. I actually have a free course on it. In this you get this for free in the client acquisition, which is a more detailed as you can see, every type of client acquisition is in there: private messages, email, phone, Facebook groups, walk-in persons, and it's really detailed. So there are like a lot of videos on it, and I guarantee you in this course that you are going to get more clients than you can handle. And actually, if you sign up with my link, you can get this whole GoHighLevel course, which is really great, and help you scale to $10,000 per month. Also, you get a mindset training, and I've actually done this, so it's not coming soon. It's live SMMA and SaaS basics. I also do ads for roofers. So yeah, I think making money online has never been easier, and I advise you that start your GoHighLevel journey with me in 2025, or even for Christmas, because it's really just a great software, and if you put the time in, you are going to have really great results. I didn't believe in it the first times, but after a while it paid off really well.